Bowling alley drone video goes viral. A drone has taken viewers into a place that some may not dare visit right now, a bowling alley. The nearly minute-and-a-half long video titled Right Up Our Alley was filmed and produced at night on March 2nd by Rally Studios. It begins outside where the drone swoops in from across the street and through the doors of Bryant Lake Bowl in Minneapolis. From there, the drone flies in and around bowlers in the lanes and drinkers at the bar, going in between legs, into the back compartment where bowling pins were swept up and set up, all in one continuous shot.
It's more of a scene than a story, right? It's not exactly, it's painting the picture of kind of getting back out with the friends and a night at a bowling alley, which I think we all really miss.
The studio said it took about 10 to 12 attempts over about 2 hours before they had the perfect take. Due to the typical buzzing sound produced by a drone, the team added audio to the video in post-production.
Marketing, dude.
This is bowling. There are rules. I'm not counting it.
Their patience paid off. The video footage of people hanging out, bowling and having a good time has gone viral on the internet. Bowling alley, 保龄球馆 drone, 无人机 go viral, 爆红 swoop, 俯冲 compartment, 隔间 pay off, 值得的